doing? Oh, so excited. So excited. Good afternoon, little boy. Just woke up from your nap. You're in a good mood, aren't you? Aren't you? Yes, you are. Yes, you are. I love your smiles. I love your smiles. Oh, I'm so glad to see you happy. Yes, I am. I'm all better. All better now. Yep. We're so happy. Yes, we are. Yes, we are. Oh, such a happy boy. Such a happy boy. And here's Ethan. He's not feeling so good today. He stayed homesick from school. Didn't you? You were just trying to skip school, weren't you? I know, I'm just teasing you. Aw. Hi, Logan. Hi, little guy. Are you looking at your big brother? Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Oh, he's talking to you. Yep. Oh, goodness. Gesundheit. Logan. Can you go lay down?